Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to see your YouTube watch history. For that head to your YouTube app, and there after loading you will see this option that will be on your bottom right corner of your mobile screen. You can see your profile picture and there is a text named you. That's our profile tab there, and on just below your profile picture you can see history tab there, and these are all the list of videos I recently watched, and these are the history. I watched this yesterday, and you can also see so many options like the videos I have watched, and these will be the list of the videos I have recently watched, and these are the history of shorts I have seen, and this is the postcard and this is the list of podcast and music. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.